Could someone please call my good auntie, Marcia Campbell, for me, please? Tag her, whatever. Please come here, Kylie. I have come across some videos, right? I've come across some videos on, I think it's Facebook yesterday. And it's not one, it's not two, it's several videos, where people continues to come for Kylie. Like, they continue to come for her. They come. All they do is come for you, without an end in sight. I won't call anyone's names. I will not call any of the people's names who I saw. Well, I listened to some of the videos where they had the absolute most to say about you. They did. One of them I will also add seems to be someone who has an historic war with you, like a historic beef with you. And until this day, I cannot fathom why. Then again, that's none of my business. It's not. Another thing I would also add, all of these people who continues to come for you, don't you realize they are way younger than you? Like, they are way younger than you. So shouldn't this be a case of a respect your elders type of thing? Or is this what we would say, respect those who respect you? I don't know. I'm only asking the relevant question. Kylie, you must remember now, you are a grandma. You are a grandma, right? And I'm very sure, I am very sure you don't want your Romy to grow up and seeing people continuously attack his grandma on social media. There comes a time in our lives where we have to say enough is enough. Enough is enough. Or should I now assume that there is no end in this whole fiasco for some of you? Curly, I know how you stay. I know how you stay. You probably will read this video wrong, and you probably want to cuss me. But just know you're gonna be cussing by yourself. You will be cussing by yourself. You need to understand. I grew up learning to respect my elders, right? And to me, you are an elder for me. My question is, why don't these younger bloggers feel the same way as I do? And you know, in all honesty, in saying what I'm saying, I feel like a lot of what's happening, it seems to be based on favoritism. And because, Curly, you are not in their most favorite people, this is why I feel like you constantly get attacked, right? Degraded, dehumanized, torn down, you name it. They do it all to you. They do it all to you. I will not say they're doing it in anyone's name, because, you know, I won't do that. I just won't. I won't. But there comes a time in our lives, Marcia Campbell. Let me call you by your government name, Marcia Campbell. Well, we have to say enough is enough. Like these young people in my age group, let me say people in my age group, a lot of them, they love confusion. And the more, including me, let me not remove myself from the narrative. I refuse to remove myself from the collective, because at a point I used to love the nonsense too. I used to love pulling out people. I used to love pulling out people just so I could have something to come on my page, come talk about. But I feel like at this point, Kelly, you are giving these people way too much of your energy. The energy that you are giving to these people, I think right now is the right time to redirect your energy elsewhere in places where it actually matters. I know a lot of you will disagree with me. A lot of you actually loves the fuckery. A lot of you do love the fuckery. And without the fuckery, nothing you don't get your belly full of gossip and drama and all of the other nonsense that social media brings. My question to all of you is, when will you stop? You know, in saying all I'm saying, I do see some people trying to be good. However, a lot of times I do see them relapsing and going back to the same bullshit. Maybe because you're not getting views. Maybe because you don't see the 400, 500, 1,000 people on your life. You think, oh, my page is messed up. But darling, I don't care. Honestly, Kylie, I would just tell you, or I would just encourage you, is to let these fuckers go. Because let's be quite frank, they don't feed you, they don't clothe you, they're not paying none of your bills. So who are they again? Who are they? Oh, that's it. Non-relevant, non-entity. They shouldn't matter to you. But then again, I will always say drama sells. Drama sells. I will always maintain that narrative. I will always say it. So maybe, just maybe, some of us just love it. And I know you may take this video the wrong way. I know you may take it the wrong way. But darling, that's on you. That is on you. I just think it's full time. Everyone on Facebook, not just Facebook, all over social media, we start to act a little bit, like a little bit more, you know, like, I wouldn't use the word mature. I wouldn't use that word. But I think it's full time now. We just start to try to be better human beings. Try to be better human beings. That's it. At least if you tried and you failed, you can say, at least I tried. I tried. I know, you know, another thing I've come to the realization of, like, these people, they continue to go for her because they realize the more they go for her, she'll also respond. And then they'll have content to take to their pages to talk about. Like, don't you bitches or niggas have lives? Don't you have lives? Are your lives this sad? Are your lives this sad? And I'm not calling Kylie a bitch or a nigger. I'm talking about the people who continues to go for her. Because you know, when you go for her, like, she's going to come back and say something that gives you more energy to take to your page and act damn fool even more. Don't you guys have shame? Don't you guys have principles? Don't you listen, you know, I feel like social media has changed a lot of you. You'd be surprised. You'd be surprised. She has support. I can assure you, she has support. You'd be surprised. That's all they do. Pick. Because they know she's gonna come back. She's gonna come back. She's gonna give them something to take to their page and talk about. And then they can call it all of the derogative names, all of the distasteful names, so they themselves can have a laugh. Like, seriously, at someone else's expense. The same thing they used to do to me, they do it to her. The same thing. There comes a point in our lives where we have to say, enough of this fuckery. And Curly, I don't care. I don't care if you want to go pay your page, go cost me. Go cost. What I'm gonna cost. That's just on you. The other day I passed your page. I made a beautiful comment. I said, I hope you're keeping well. Like, you know, I hope you, like, I'm very sure I made an amazing comment. And, you know, that was me telling you, hello, Kylie, I'm still here. And I'm still checking in for you. I still check in for people I actually value. And you are one person I do value. Even if we're not on the level, like, friendship, I still value you. You know, you can make people laugh. You listen, you have so much, you have so much to offer social media. Curly, I'm talking to you. You have so much to offer social media. And not just this continued nonsense. You have so much to offer social media. You're very funny. You're very jovial. You can make people laugh. And when I tell you make people laugh, it's like when God was giving me funny, I feel like he was second or third or first in line. Yeah. You're laughing. The way you laugh, it is so contagious. That alone makes people laugh, the way you laugh. And I'm not saying this to ridicule you. I'm saying this because you are genuinely a funny person. I think it's full time, Kylie. Just let people do what they want to do. And don't give them your energy. Because this is what the fuckers want. This is what the fuckers want. They want to win your soul. They want to win your soul. It's like there are a lot of demonic entities on Facebook and across social media who's working for the devil himself. And they won't stop. They won't stop until they win people's souls. They won't stop. And clearly they are after yours. Not just you. I would call out other people's names, but I won't call their names because right now I just want you to hear me. I just want you to hear me. I know for a fact you may take this the wrong way. And if you do, that is on you. The reason why I'm taking to my live is because I saw the videos that's already been posted on social media. And I'm sure you saw them too. You saw them yourself too. You saw them. I don't know. I don't know if you responded. I don't know. But I would encourage you, let those fuckers go. Let those demonic entities go. They have nothing better to do than sit on social media and speak negatively about other people, right? Whose lives, a lot of them, like your life, I'm sure is better than a lot of these people. Did you stop to think about this? That you are living way more better than these people who has the absolute most to say about you? Did you stop to think about that? In all honesty, some of them need to be dead. And I'm not saying people should go and hurt them. I'm saying some of them should lay in their bed and just don't wake up, because the day they don't wake up, social media will be better off without them. Social media will be way, way more peaceful without those people. Whoever wants to take, whoever feels like I'm throwing stone at you, then darling, that's on you. Why are you people so hateful why are you guys so hateful? Why are you guys so malicious? And why do you guys think only a selective group of people on here should prosper and others should not? Like who gave you guys power over social media? Do you guys realize this fuckery that's been happening? It's been going on for a good 4 years now, at least 4 years. Do you guys know this has been happening for at least 4 years? Did you guys stop to even like calculate the time span? Have you guys stopped and calculated the time span? Is this how you guys plan to live the rest of your life? He says, she says, or he sells seashells on the seashore. Is this how you guys want to live? Seriously? And for all of you fuckers out there who continues to curse people in other people's names, shame on you. Your lives are very sad and toxic. And then some of you want to come in here and act like you're prim and proper. Fuck out of here with that bullshit. Go to church. Go to church. Go and give your life to the Lord. Give your life to God. And stop coming on here and tearing down other people in the name of other people. Other people who don't even care about you, fucking idiots. They don't care about none of you. That's all they do, Janet. That's all they do. Is pull her like a damn shoelace. Okay, we can pull Curly today. Okay, we can pull Curly today. Let's pull Curly. Let's pull Curly. Seriously? And you know, insane what I'm saying. I genuinely thought one of them had substance. I genuinely thought one of them had substance. Clearly, I was wrong. Is this how we plan to live our lives for the rest of our lives, people? Is this how we plan to live for the rest of our lives? It's people like you. It's people like you that make social media what it is today, toxic. People's afraid to take to their pages. People's afraid to come out and voice their opinions on conversations that's happening across social media. Do you guys know the saying, united we stand and divided we fall? However, I feel like some of you on here wants to continue this divisive tactics that keeps some people over there, some over there, some over there, and some over there. It's like if you guys don't feel like, if you guys don't do this, you feel like we can't win. That's just it. Curly needs to understand she is very talented. She does what a lot of them will never do on here, could never do. She, Marcia Campbell, does that. And they can't do it. Because they don't have no soul. They don't have no spirit. They think they're funny, but they're not funny. Imagine standing up and singing to an audience 3 hours, 4 hours. Do you see any of them doing that on here? Who else on here you see doing things like that? Do you see anyone else on here entertaining their audience like how she does? No. You know why? Because enough of them paya, all them talk about a pussy and cocky who not take over man and take over woman, and you know, this one that I buy crutches, like that the one that I buy crutches, that the one that that's all they talk about on here. Tell me which platform on here actually speaks something of substance, i.e. make anyone laugh like how you see her doing it. None of them. because they don't have no charisma. They think they're funny, but they're not funny. A lot of times, they think people are laughing with them, but trust me, people are laughing at them. Respectfully, Curly, I would encourage you, let these small-minded, unscrupulous, uneducated nincompoops go. Let them go. Always remember, the most they can do is yap, 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 yap. Them can't go so. Them can't go so. Or most importantly, them cannot put you out of your property. You are the master of your own home. Because I swear, I scrolled a page and most of the content there in the last 5 days or so is people tearing you down, speaking bad of you. But you know why? You know why these people can speak bad of you? Is because you continue to give them your energy. I would encourage you, one more time, let these unscrupulous people go. They have no bearing in your life. They shouldn't matter.